Hi guys, Tommy Olsson here. In this video I'm going to show you how to create and edit a price table section with DB Builder on Influx Plus. First you're going to choose where you want to have the pricing table and then create the row by clicking there and then add the pricing table option. You can scroll down for it here, or you can start to write pricing pricing table, and then you just click on that, and then I'm gonna enter the information that I want to have on the table. And then I'm gonna go down here to save it as a frame. Sorry, we click on link and mark it as a frame holder up there. And there you see the button text. Then I'm gonna go over to design and start to customize it. You can have a drop shadow feature for the title. You can edit the color for the price section. Button alignment, you can choose to have it centered or so on. Now I'm gonna duplicate this pricing table, and you do that by clicking on the pricing table up here, for instance. I'm gonna duplicate this pricing table twice, so I just click on this symbol here twice. And now I'm gonna edit the information in these two because there's another offers than just the free trial. So I have changed the second one here. Change some of the text or something. and so on. And then the third and last offer in pricing table, I'm going to edit now. Gonna make some space there, and then you can just save it like that. So now we have 3 different offers set up here. So there you have it. That is how to create and edit a pricing table with DBbuilder and Infalux Plus. If you would like to get access to a great website builder and get your hands on your own WordPress blog connected to your website and all the tools you need to build a business and income online, then click the link below for a 14-day free trial. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.